Hi friends, in this video I will teach you that how you can use quick export option, quick export feature in Adobe Photoshop. Right now I am using Adobe Photoshop CC 2021 and you can see this is my image I have opened. Whatever you are working in Photoshop, and if you want to quick export as PNG, and Photoshop also gives some other offers, some other formats. So for example, if you click on file and export, so you can see quick export as PNG. If you click here, so you can see I can export in my desktop, even for example my pic, and if I save it, so this will be saved in my desktop, you can see as PNG. If you go to file and export and export preferences, so you can see quick export format right now it's PNG. So if you click here and select JPG, so you can select the quality like 100. Okay, in PNG you can see transparency and smaller file you can select. So if you select JPG and click OK, now you can see when you go to file and export, so now you can quick export as JPG. And if you click again export preferences, and if you select for example SVG and click OK, so you can see now you can quick export as SVG. And the next thing, for example export preferences and JPG. One more thing, if you want to use with keyboard shortcut keys, because you can see here file export, there is no keyboard shortcut key mentioned here by default from Adobe Photoshop. So you can click on edit keyboard shortcuts, and in file you can see here export and quick export as JPG. So what you can select like Control Alt Shift D, because this keyboard shortcut key is not using in Photoshop. So you can select this and click on OK. So now we have also set a keyboard shortcut key, you can see Alt Shift Control D. So if I press all of them, so you can see now how I can export this work as JPG with this shortcut key also. So this is the quick export feature in Adobe Photoshop. I have explained. I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things. Thank you so much once again.